Hi students. So today we are going to discuss today's JEE 2025 session 1 January 22nd shift 1 paper. So if you see the problem from matrices and determinants, what we got the problem is if A is a 3 by 3 square matrix such that det A is equal to minus 2, if determinant of 3 of adjoint A, adjoint of minus 6 of adjoint 3A is equal to 2 power m plus n into 3 power mn, where m greater than or equal to n, then 4m plus 2n he is asking. Let us see, already we given that det A is equal to minus 2. So given det A is equal to minus 2 and n is equal to order of the matrix is given as 3. Order of the matrix is equal to 3. Now determinant of 3 adjoint of minus 6 adjoint of 3a is equal to, already we know determinant of ka, k power n into det A. Determinant of ka is equal to k power n into det A, that is 3 cube into determinant of adjoint of minus 6 adjoint of 3a. Now this is equal to 3 to the power of 3 into determinant of adjoint A. Determinant of adjoint A is det A whole to the power of n minus 1. So that's why determinant of minus 6 adjoint of 3a whole to the power of n minus 1. N minus 1 is 3 minus 1, that is nothing but square. So now this is 3 cube into minus 6. Again determinant of ka, determinant of ka is k power n into det A. So that's why this is minus 6 whole cube k power n into det A, that is determinant of adjoint of 3a whole square. Now this is equal to 3 to the power of 3 minus 6 whole to the power of 6, that is nothing but 6 power 6 into determinant of adjoint of 3a whole square. Now this is equal to 3 to the power of 3, 6 to the power of 6, determinant of adjoint a, again det A whole to the power of n minus 1. So det A 3a whole square. Now this is 3 cube into 6 power 6 into determinant of ka, k power n into det A. This is det 3a whole to the power of 4. So 3 cube 6 power 6 determinant of ka, k power n into det A, 3 cube into det A whole to the power of 4. Finally what we are going to get is 3 to the power of 3. This is 3 to the power of 6, 2 to the power of 6, 3 to the power of 12. Det A is nothing but minus 2, 2 to the power of 4. So finally what we are going to get is 2 power 10 into 3 to the power of 21. So this is nothing but 2 power 10 into 3 power 21. Now what we got is, but what they have given, this is given as 2 power m plus n. Now 2 to the power of m plus n into 3 to the power of mn is equal to 2 to the power of 10 into 3 power 21, that is m plus n is equal to 10, mn is equal to 21. If you solve these two equations, m is equal to 7, n is equal to 3. Why? Because m greater than n condition is given. So m is equal to 7, n is equal to 3. Finally what is asking is 4m plus 2n. So 4m plus 2n is 28, 4 into 7 28, plus 2 into 3 6, 28 plus 6 34. This is the answer for this problem. Very simple problem actually, but little bit lengthy simplification. Okay. So this problem is given from permutations and combinations. Very simple problem they are given this time. Permutations and combinations. From all English alphabet 5 letters are chosen. The number of words that can be formed with these letters in alphabetical order. This is my most important thing. Again the words are formed in the alphabetical order only, in which m occupies middle place. So that's why we have to form 5 letter word in which already m occupies middle place, that is given already. And all these letters should be in the alphabetical order. That's why before m you have to consider the 2 letters. You have to choose the 2 letters. So in alphabetical order, if you count before m, that means from A to L. From A to L we are having 12 letters. So from those 12 letters you have to select 2 letters, and arrangement is not possible. Why? Because arrangement has to be in alphabetical order. So that's why they will be arranged in only one way. And after m again we are having 2 places. So you have to select the 2 letters in alphabet. So after m already we know from n to z. From n to z we are going to get 13 letters. From 13 letters you have to select 2 letters. So 12 into 11 by 2 into 13 into 12 by 2. So this is how much you are going to get? 66 into 78. So 66 into 78. So we are going to get this value as around 5148. So 5148 is the answer for this problem. Very simple problem. So from probability today 22nd shift 1, from the probability problem is given this one. Two balls are selected at random from a bag containing 4 white and 6 black balls. Here with replacement, without replacement, that is the given condition. Without replacement, that is the condition given. If the probability that the first selected ball is black, given that the second ball is also black, is m by n, that means probability of selecting the first ball as black given that second ball is already black. So that means required probability is equal to, so as per the condition, what is asking is second ball is compulsorily black, though then what is the probability that first ball is also black? That is the given problem. So actually what are the conditions possible? The conditions possible is already given that second ball is black, so first ball we can draw either white ball or black ball. These are the conditions possible. That means if you see the total probability what we are going to get is either first ball may be black or first ball may be white. So if you take the first ball as white ball, so what is the probability of selecting the first ball as white ball? 4 by 10. Why? Because 4 white balls are there, total 10 balls are there. 4 by 10 into second ball as black. So second ball is black means already 6 blacks, so 6 black balls are there. So only 9 balls are remaining. Why? Because first ball is drawn without replacement. You have to select the second ball. So 4 by 10 into 6 by 9 plus. So next possibility is first ball is also black, second ball is also black. First ball black is 6 by 10, second ball black. Coming to the second ball, one black ball gone. So only 5 black balls are remaining. That's why you are going to get 5 by 9. So our required probability is nothing but, so you have to get the first ball as black and second ball as black. That means 6 by 10 into 5 by 9. So this is the total possible cases and this is the required case. So if you simplify this, what you are going to get 30 by 90 by 24 by 90 plus 30 by 90. So how much we are going to get? 30 by 54, which is nothing but 6 5 or 6 9. The answer we are going to get is 5 by 9. So actually here this is given as m by n. So he is asking m plus n. So m plus n will become 5 plus 9, which is nothing but 14. So 14 is the answer as per the given options. Right. Now see here, this is January 22nd, again shift 1 paper. If A1, A2, A3 so on are in GP of increasing positive terms, if A1, A5 is equal to 28 and A2 plus A4 is equal to 29, then find A6. So this is the given problem. Let us try to solve it. So given A1, A5 is equal to 28, A1 is A, A5 is AR power 4 is equal to 28, A square R power 4 is equal to 28. Coming to this one, A2 plus A4 is equal to 29, A2 is AR plus AR cube is equal to 29. Now this implies AR plus, now you have to solve these two equations, but solving is a little bit complicated. So you have to go logically. So I am multiplying and dividing with AR. So if you multiply and divide with AR, this one, A square R power 4 by AR is equal to 29. So from this, substitute A square R power 4 value, AR plus 28 by AR is equal to 29. If you let AR is equal to T, if you take AR as T, this equation will become T plus 28 by T is equal to 29. T square minus 29T plus 28 is equal to 0. Take factors, T minus 1 into T minus 28 is equal to 0. So which implies T is equal to 1, T is equal to 28. But what is T? T is nothing but AR. So AR is equal to 1. So R is equal to 1 by A. Otherwise, AR is equal to 28. R is equal to 28 by A. If you substitute in this equation, now what you are going to get? A square into R power 4, that is 28 power 4 by A is equal to 28. That means A square, A power 4 gets cancelled. Here we are going to get A square, 28 cube. So A square is equal to 28 cube we are going to get. So a square is equal to 28 cube. Okay. So this implies a is equal to 28 to the power of 3 by 2. Substitute in this, r is equal to 28 by 28 to the power of 3 by 2, which is nothing but 1 by root 28. Now we got a value and r value. Let us go for a6. So a6 is equal to a r power 5. Now this is equal to a is 28 to the power of 3 by 2 into r is 1 by root 28 whole to the power of 5. Now this is 28 root 28 1 by 28 root 28. So root 28 gets cancelled. We are going to get 1 by 28 a6. So with this we are getting 1 by 28, but options are not satisfying. So that's why we need to go for AR is equal to 1 also. We are having one more condition. AR is equal to 1 by A. So R is equal to 1 by A. If you substitute in this, what happens if you substitute R is equal to 1 by A here? So A square into R power 4 is 1 by A power 4 is equal to 28. A square times gets cancelled. So A square is equal to 1 by 28. So we got here a square is equal to 1 by 28. Now I am removing this. Why? Because this one is not satisfying options. So that's why we need to go for the second value. Now we have gone for this one. Let us check whether this value satisfies the options or not. So a square is equal to 1 by 28 means a is equal to 1 by root 28. Now r is equal to 1 by a, that is nothing but root 28. Now we got a and r values. Let us substitute here. A is 1 by root 28 into r power 5 is root 28 whole power 5, which is nothing but root 28 whole power 4, which is nothing but 28 into 28. Sorry, 784. Let us see whether this option is there or not. 784. Memory based questions, that's why we are getting some problem. Okay, no problem. 784 option is there. That's why this is the correct answer. This is the solution for this problem. Okay. Right. If you see this problem again, January 22nd, Shift-1 paper. Let the triangle PQR is the image of the triangle with the vertices 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 4. In the line x plus 2y is equal to 2. If the centroid of the triangle PQR is alpha, beta, then 15 of alpha minus beta. That means what he is saying is the triangle PQR is the image of the triangle with the vertices 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 4. In the line x plus 2y is equal to 2. Generally what the mistake will do is we'll find the images of all these 3 points, then we'll get the triangle PQR and we'll find the centroid. That will become lengthy. No need to go by that method. Just find the centroid of this triangle. Find the centroid of this triangle and find its image with respect to this line. So that means if you see the centroid of the given triangle, so centroid of the triangle is equal to 1 plus 3, 4 plus 2, 6 by 3, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 4, 8 by 3. We are going to get 2, 8 by 3. So this is the centroid of the triangle. Now alpha, beta is the image of this point. So this implies alpha, beta is the image of 2, 8 by 3 with respect to x plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. So that means already we know image theorem formula h minus x1 by a. That means alpha minus 2 by 1 is equal to beta minus 8 by 3 by 2 is equal to minus 2 of ax1. ax1 means 2 plus 2 into 8 by 3, 16 by 3 minus 2 by a square plus b square, 1 plus 4, 5 we are going to get. So now here what we are going to get, plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled, and this is minus 32 by 3 by 5. This is nothing but minus 32 by 15. So alpha minus 2 is equal to minus 32 by 15. So alpha is equal to, if you send this 2 to this side, 15 into 2, 30 minus 32 minus 2 by 15. Similarly, beta minus 8 by 3 is equal to minus 64 by 15. Beta is equal to 8 by 3 minus 64 by 15. 15 is LCM. 40 minus 64 minus 24 by 15. Now he is asking 15 of alpha minus beta. So 15 of alpha minus beta. 15 alpha. 15 into alpha is minus 2 by 15. Minus into minus plus 24 by 15. Answer is 22. Okay, very simple problem they are given this time from straight line chapter.